You take off your shoes, can come out.
Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. They say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you.
The female, we are everywhere.
Hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine. Sometimes I get a little bit emotional when I see two hearts bound by reflections of memories they'll forever hold. They say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close. They say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine. They say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. They say, hold on to this time we have, let the light shine.